Okay. So PPI wick, 100 points. Definitely did some damage. Took this sell side. I think we tapped into a 4-hour order block. Not really. The daily low probability order block though. I'm bullish. I remember sleeping. Alright, there's currently SMT at the highs. We're filling up that fair value gap. We'll just see if we can find something before 10 a.m. news. Okay. What am I waiting for? See, it's pretty hard to trade. It's already come down here, so what can I do now? Wait for price to take out a short-term low. If it's below midnight, then that's good. Nice to fill up this imbalance. I'm pretty bullish. But honestly, it's not that clear. I have these equal highs that I feel like just look really good. I feel like we want to work towards them today, tomorrow. Not that clear. But let's see what happens. We still got time, right? See if we make a run. At 10 a.m. we have. I'll just mark it up actually. All right. Gotta open up my Top Step X. So, if anyone's curious, these are my Top Step X. Wait, what the hell happened? Why am I down 800? Oh my god, did I leave an order in overnight? Oh my god, I must have. Well, that's what. That is awful news. I left on a position overnight, dude. Fuck Top Step X. Where did I leave a fucking position on? I must have been it's like an order limit, I guess. And I hit my daily loss. Now I'm down 1,000. Okay, it's fine. Shitty. That's shitty as fuck. Okay. Well, we gotta live with it. It's fine. Looking for a break of a short-term low that we can go long off of. Damn, that 930 volatility was not there. Okay. Stay calm and collected. See what we can get. Candles look slow. So this is a short-term low. This is a fair value gap that's unfilled. Hey Ham. It did a lot better. Should be right away. Yeah. Nice, bro. We're waiting for a short-term low. Like I'm bullish. The inversion there was nice. You have 10 a.m. red folder news. I want to see like maybe longs from here. Would not be targeting that, obviously. Target those equal highs. Yeah, I'm on both. I still have my funded account here, right? On fully trade of it. Short-term low taken. I want to see us go lower. We've already swept sell side. On a day like this, it's kind of confusing. Could wait for 10 a.m. Honestly, I wanted to try to get a trade before 10 a.m. That chair is testifying. Um, this is just not ideal right now. So this is London high. Strong liquidity is London high, but like, bro, we're already there. Like, it's 8 points. It's tough. Like, because the PPI candle kind of did me wrong. What's up, JP? Bro, JP, some dumb shit happened, bro. No, no trade yet, bro. It says I like I don't know. I think I left an order in somehow with Top Step X, so I went from being up 600 on those combines to down 1,000. Yeah, I know it's stupid as fuck. I don't know what I could trade in this. Like this is not a clean. If I would be in a trade, like I'm looking for longs, but London highs here and Fed chairs testifying at 10. I'll take a long in here, but that's it, really. Yo, Ham. So I got our combines are lined up now. So looks like we're taking London highs. That's London high right there. Yeah, I mean I can't look for longs anymore. See if we can get a chain of same delivery right here. There's this 15-minute fair value gap. We have an SMT inside the fair value gap. That's pretty valid for a short. Oh, the SMTs. I mean, it's not really an SMT, but it is. It is on the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get a break of this source, change of same delivery here. Can't lie, I'm pretty fucking tilted that that happened because I was literally doing good on those accounts. For no reason, I'm just fucking down. I was bullish today, but I definitely like I'm not taking a long in a market like this. There's just no way. 950 macros coming. I can't lie, they're not as clear. I'm gonna look for a quick scalp and that's it. We just wait, yeah. All I know is that we cleared the level of sell side, and that's about it. And I'm pretty bullish on the daily time frame too. But if there's no PD array supporting price, I mean, we're gonna have this hourly order block at 10. Yeah, that was PPI candle, Meher. Tomorrow's probably gonna be even bigger one, fucking CPI candle. Let's see if we can form this order block. On the hourly, we close in 15 minutes. Whatever, it's something like this. I keep my long bias, but I can't take a long in a market from like this. Oh, this is not perfect. Because we've already tapped into the daily order block. Up low. It's like we're just running towards the highs now. We have 4-hour equal highs right here. Like, I'm pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. I'll just keep this marked up as the 1-hour order block. Or whatever, we'll make it this candle. I don't know how that transposes to that. Oh, it's the 8-hour high. Okay, okay. I mean, we're almost there at those 4-hour equal highs, which was my objective for the day. So if we take out those 4-hour equal highs, I'd be pretty bearish. I'd have to flip bias because, I mean, this fair value gap, and we met the drawn liquidity. I mean, not necessarily I'd be bearish, but I'll tell you one thing is I'm not taking longs above those equal highs. So I do know one thing though. Come and go. This is going to become low resistance liquidity as well. There's no failure. There's just price swing up. $9.50 macros in 3 minutes. See if we can take out the high within that macro. This little continuation trade doesn't seem too bad, but I'm not going to take it. Something like this. And taking the long. Not a plus, but not bad either. Small little continuation. That is so annoying that what happened to my freaking combines, bro. Stay patient. I'm not gonna mark out the 950 macro, but just know there's a 950 macro. All right, looks like this one would fail anyways unless we play off this order block. Let's see. So far, pretty sharp displacement. Would have to start wicking right now. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. I mean, if we don't close above the black line, there's the failed 1 hour order block. Inversion, shorts. From where though? It's like random. Is there an SMT at the highs? Let me close up that fair value gap quick. You know, we're never actually closed below the low of that order block, so it's not ideal, but hey, it looks like it would have played. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. 950 just came, so let's see if we can take out those highs at 950 like we anticipated. Otherwise, I'd see this as a turtle soup. London highs into the fair value gap. So I don't know if you remember, originally we had that candle marked out, and we said if we close below it, that changes stay in delivery. It was this candle right here. This one right here. Our London highs, right? 515. Yeah. So if we get a strong displacement lower, honestly, I'm in. But again, I feel like these highs are gonna get taken. But we'll mark it up just because why not? See if that macro delivers. Excuse me. Okay. Probably gonna have to wait till 10. See what happens with that 10 a.m. news. Doesn't look like we're going anywhere right now. Where's N Dog? We already filled it up, huh? This is This is. Wait, what? Oh yeah, end dog is here. There's nothing here. Weird. ES hasn't really filled it up yet. Okay. We're just reading these 1 minute candles that are weak as hell. Probably just waiting for news at 10 a.m. So let's look for a 10 a.m. power of 3 here. I guess I'll include the highs of the candles. What I'm anticipating? Something like this. Personally, I feel like those highs get ran. But let's see how much volatility gets injected with the Powell speaking. It might end up being more like this. Or flipped. I'll take either. I'm just looking for a scalp at this point. The daily direction isn't so clear. I mean, my drawn liquidity is 351. Hey, get back in there. Trying to keep my box consolidated properly. We've already run the London highs too, so yeah. There is a 15-minute fair value gap forming, so actually I will note that. Yeah, I will note that actually. That's actually important for me. We get a manipulation lower into the fair value gap, and then we target this high as a short-term objective. Assuming the fair value gap forms, is it really gonna close up last second? 2 minutes. We'll just stay here and wait for it to see if it forms. I thought I knew what real love was, but that was before I met you. I think it'll close up now, just the way that it's looking. There's your market structure shift fair value gap. Looks like that 15-minute fair value gap's getting closed up. There's that change in state delivery that we talked about. Well, we didn't get a close below, but I think we will. Trade like this isn't bad, but I'm not taking it, especially not right now at before 10 a.m. Something like that, just targeting the first low. London highs ran 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We didn't close out the fair value gap yet, but we have 1 minute. Like I wouldn't be surprised if we tap in and then drop below. But let's see this news. Hopefully it gives us a direction and clear up some things. Well, this failure swing says a lot too. Low, high, lower, low, lower, high. Makes it a mitigation. Inversion. Yeah, there it is. Close up that fair value gap. I think there's a breaker in here. I'm gonna mark out midnight opening. So we close up the fair value gap. See what happens. News is in 30 seconds. Um, see what happens. Testify. All right, Powell speaking. Fake market structure shift potentially. I'm looking at this old low. Not very clear. Not very clear. I can't lie. I didn't really do anything. We. Mm-hmm. 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 Interesting. Feel like I like a short entry from here, but the bias being the narrative being we took London highs into this 15-minute fair value gap, tapped into the bearish order block, and we have this huge wick, which is an imbalance that we're drawn towards. We weren't able to take out these highs. Just kind of came close again. Equal highs. Hmm. We might get a potential SMT at the highs. I mean, that would definitely confirm for me. Let's see if ES can sweep this high while NQ just taps into this fair value gap. If so, I'll probably take the trade on NQ. Target these equal lows. Equal lows here. Um, let's see. That's a pretty sharp displacement. We tapped into the 3-minute. Yeah, I feel like I might have just missed that, to be honest. 3-minute looks really good. 5 minutes still forming. I might look to take it there. 5 minutes forming in 45 seconds. I don't know if we'll get a fill on the 5 minute though. We did miss it on the 3 minute, unfortunately. All right, we're gonna take this on the 5 minute. See if we can get a fill on the 5 minute. On the inversion, London lows, London highs ran. If we can get a fill, that'd be really good. Nah. Hold on. I'm not playing no games here, bro. I'm tired. I didn't get filled yesterday. I don't want it to happen again. Okay. All right. See if we can get a fill on the 5 minutes. Looks like we might. That's a pretty strong rejection, though. I can't lie. But let's keep it up here on the 5 minute. Check out this big fat fair value gap. I remember dreaming, sleep at night, wide awake, so change my mind, no matter what I choose you. Might just stay on fucking field on the 5 minute. Stay patient though. I like it. And we'd have to look to, I don't want to say not break even, but we got to be careful, cautious with this low because we could just potentially have quick 5 minute combo trades, take the low, and then run up for the highs that we put in here. But let's see, we might not even get a fill in the 5 minute. We missed the 3 minute entry, to be honest, and it looks like we're already, yeah, wow. Let's see if we can come up from there. Gonna stay patient. So we swept that low, put in an SMT, which is good for me in terms of getting filled. Should get filled right here, hopefully. All right, we're gonna trade. See how this goes. So 5 micro short, tapped into the 5 minute fair value gap. So far, pretty strong body. I'm gonna draw out the fair value gap here. See if we can respect the 50% ideally. All right, we have the 5 minute order block, so as well. So hopefully we can respect that as well. I'll leave that marked up there. And that's our trade. See how it goes. So we just tapped into that little 1 minute one as well. I've marked out the 5 minute order block. That wick's pretty promising so far, but see what happens. There's the SMT at the highs that we were talking about. It's a pretty good confluence, I'd say for sure. So I feel like this is gonna go lower. Hopefully it does. We took the weaker asset as well. I'm pretty happy with this trade. We should get an aggressive move. That's not a good reaction so far, but let's see how if we can go off the order block. Did I mismark it? Because it looks like we just tapped in and fucking rejected fast. Yeah, no, we just didn't tap in. Oh, man. Precision. 'Right. SMT is still there, so I mean, unless we come and take out this high, I think we're fine. To be honest, I still believe in this trade. I might not necessarily take profit here, right? I might. I'll look here for sure as the first low. 1.3 R, and then our floor is there. All right, see if we can get a close below this fair value gap that we actually, I don't know if we inverted yet on the 5-minute. Yeah, so we invert. Oh, pretty fast 5-minute candle. So let's see if we can get the re-inversion. Yeah. So far, I can't lie, it does not look good. But I mean, the SMT still holds. Our stop loss is pretty good. And we're respecting, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a fair value gap right here. What color can I make this? Blue? Purple? So that we might tap into the 5-minute order block right there. We tapped in. Hopefully we get a sharp move lower now. The SMT still holds. Looks like we might get stopped, to be honest. We've already like hit so many PD arrays. To call like disrespected so many PD arrays. I mean, that's a good wick, but I need displacement lower or I can be confident. Like we inverted the 5-minute. Yeah, not bad. Still looks pretty bearish to me. I mean, I definitely still believe in this. And that wick was promising. Okay, this is getting very distracting. Let's just curious how to close above this 1-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we can re-wick. Treat this as a fair value gap. Watch 50% of this wick. Hopefully it can act as a support to our trade. Or resistance, whatever. I want to say like this is the last defense. Next is our stop, right? So The SMT still holds. ES is starting a body lower. Okay, that's some decent displacement. I need more. Okay, we're back at the entry. We respected the 50% of the wick, like we kind of talked about. See if we can make a run lower now. We'll be trailing our stop loss too if we break lower. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Well, that's not good. I want to see a large displacement. I thought we had it there, but no. Tab back into. I'm gonna show you something I just saw. Sure, bro. How? See if we can get that displacement lower. We're still. If you don't, your position stays even after it's been stopped. Just show me what you mean or TP'd. It's but you know what it says here when I went into orders? It said I took a 5 market order long. Bro, how? I was literally watching monkeys at fucking 4 p.m. I don't know. Whatever. I got 2 new accounts. Okay, you guys created a fair value gap. That's pretty good. Like, why is it placing longs for me, bro? At market too. I mean, I'll confirm I'm done trading anyway. Okay, so I'm hoping this green candle is the last. Okay, there's the rejection we were waiting for. Hopefully it continues. It stops wicking my ass. Yeah, let's get a runner. Let's get a runner today. Get a runner today. How do I add cons on top X? Just right click market sell or add another limit order. One looks good. This one for the boys. This one for the boys. For the boys. If you're gonna add on this fair value gap if it forms. I remember sleeping awake at night, wide awake, a soul that could change my mind. No matter what I choose you. I'm gonna trail my stop losses. We're up 70 ticks. It's pretty good. See if we can knife through butter on these lows. Just lower and lower and lower. It's 135 so far, so not bad. Knife through butter. Let's go. Let's go. For once, I want to see a breakaway gap in my favor. All right, let's leave this one unfilled instead of the ones I try to entry on and keep me unfilled. Do you know? Did you get the answer to your question, brother? All right, looks like we're retracing this fair value gap. Okay. Don't invert it. I want to see, you know? You know those ones? Oh, you know those ones. If we close down, I'll add one. Okay, complete rebalance. We don't need to go. We don't need to go in there again. ES just went in there. I know we haven't met, but you gave me. As soon as we close down. Oh yeah. If this candle flips bearish, money. Yeah, let's add one position here. I can't. I'm capped out at 5. Okay, it's okay. That's why. I'm already in 6 cons. If we get a close below, maybe you can look to add one on that one. It shouldn't come back up here. I'll keep that fair value gap added. Shouldn't come back in. It doesn't need to be spending around too much time in here. If so, it makes me feel like we're not really in a hurry to go anywhere. But I mean, let's chill for now. No need to jump to conclusions. ES looks pretty good. Why does ES like look like there's less candles forming? Am I tripping? Like NQ is supposed to be the weaker asset. ES is behaving weaker. I think it's just that NQ added volatility. Okay, we're back at our entry. That's not good. We came back to this fair value gap that we had marked out originally. And looks like we're inversing the shit out of it. Honestly, we shouldn't be coming back in here. So unless we close bearish on this candle, I'm no longer feeling good about this trade. Although ES like looks pretty good, I can't lie. See how ES reacts to this. Fair value gap that never got thing. Chill. We just might not have been ready for a move. Hopefully we do not form a, like we just close this up. Yes. Still believe in the shorts. The movement is so bad. But NQ moves so much compared to ES. Like ES is like so slow and stationary. NQ is like looks like we're getting stopped out here. Yeah, we're see what happens. Clear this up. Honestly, it was a good trade. I guess the longs were kind of the play after all. Those 4-hour highs that we talked about. Did we just like I think those 4-hour highs maybe. Unless this plays yes being weaker. Did you add positions, bro? This SMT forms when we get the inversion. I'll try again, but yeah, bro. It knew you had a position with no stop. No, you must have just closed it. You must have just closed it. How much did you lose, Ameer? What's your account at? Yeah, bro. Those 4-hour highs are gonna get. They just got hit, I think. Yeah, the 4-hour highs just got hit. Damn. Maybe we should have been more patient with the longs there. I wonder, did we go below? No, we didn't really. Getting close. Interesting, interesting, interesting. You can see the SMT here too. Well, I don't see a trade opportunity anymore. I think we're done there. Take the L. I'm not gonna chase these shorts. We're inside the 4-hour bearish fair value gap. We had a good run there. I should have seen that SMT, but even then, I wouldn't have probably done anything. L Street continues. Well, actually, it's only at 2 now, but we flipped so quick. 80 points up. We had a really nice move. Came back, failed, rejected. Just enough manipulation to take out those highs. No entry here, by the way. Not a single one. Just breakaway, 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 breakaway. Not a single retracement. That's crazy. Hard to see that, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with the trade we took. Well, I don't think I'll be taking another one today. I'm already tilted because my stupid top step combine thing that happened. So let's journal this. May log 6. We lost. We took one trade in May on a Tuesday. We took a short. News was dreadful. Their asset was NQ Microcons 5 buys. Initially, I was bullish. a hard price run to see, to be honest. Like this is just words per minute is like 120. I'm bummy, man. I'm bummy. I can't lie. Fast ass typer. Yo, 2022 model, bro. Target all time highs. Doing good. Alright, so this is how I caught a 43R. Alright. We gotta not let this affect us. But what is gonna affect me is that stupid top step shit. That's fucking annoying because I went from up 600. I went from up 600 to down 800 by like I didn't even put in the order. It says I market ordered at 4 p.m. yesterday, and it does not make sense. I don't know how that happened. I must have. I don't know how it says like I did a market order. Like where, when, how could I have market ordered? I had to be signed into TopStep X. Placing a market order. How much did we lose there? That was 200. Oh shit, let's go here. Yeah, I mean it's fine. But we gotta play comeback. We gotta lock in, you know. Can't let it affect the next trade. I'll post it on the 5 minute because that's where I executed. Even like what is this? But where did this price run come from, bro? No, I'm here. I don't think this is going down, bro. I don't know where this move came from. It literally just happened. Like we had the 5 minute inversion with the like a bearish fair value gap forming. We re-inversed, came to the order block, displaced lower. Let me just take a picture of this real quick then. Um, what? Look, you mean a long, bro? CP at the highs. Well, my win rate's so high. Imagine taking a trade like this. It's probably confusing you. There. Stop loss at SMT low. But imagine the win rate when you have a fucking model like this. Holy shit. Your win rate better be a high 5. Whoa, what just happened? So what was that thing you were saying about closing orders or something? I don't know what happened. I think if I had to guess, like I somehow like logged into TopStep X by accident, clicked the button on my keyboard and placed the market long and then just closed. Like I mean, I don't know. That's so many things that I just went on my computer, opened TopStep X, put in a market order 5 contracts long on E-mini and then didn't realize, closed my monitor, and then my max daily loss got hit. Um, bro, what I was saying was like the Top Step X thing. Like, bro, what could have happened? Like, I went on my computer, I just put in an order, market order, 5 long. No, man, we're in drawdown right now. It was a lot of drawdown. Um, I'm gonna put in my notes like I genuinely don't know why I got stopped out there. I genuinely do not know. $320 minus 299.5 times 20 divided by 10. We lost 205 on that trade. Like, don't tell me this. You know what? This actually does not look bad at all. Wait, shit. Crazy, I'll admit that. Do you want to give a stab at it again? Bro, why couldn't this happen? Like, what the fuck was this, bro? But you can see what happened here is we took the. Oh my god, that SMT too. Yeah, it is. Damn, bro, what is that? That's crazy. Inverted discount array. You can't even enter on something like this. I can't. I literally can't. Your stop loss is good. The thing is the entry. This is a fucking breakaway gap. I'd have to enter like here. Oh, it's not gonna get filled there. It's not gonna get filled there. Is the issue. Let's see. It's not A plus. We did tap into the 4 hour fair value gap. Took the 4 hour high. Turtle soup. This is a good reversal. Let's risk half. What's up, Sav? I'll look for it. But I'm only gonna risk half. What's up, Sav? What the fuck just happened? What is this, bro? Fuck. Thought that was a long ass stop loss. How's it going? Honestly, not good, bro. Not good. Can't lie to you. But what is price action? I don't know, man. I actually can't tell you, bro. Can someone? Oh, that's good. Uh, I can't take this, bro. Like at this point, I don't know what the. I mean, I'm more bearish for sure, but he just took the low. I was in short salve over here, and then this happened. Now it's messing with me. Not clear. That go was easy. Everyone was doing it. Yeah, it's been a tough week, you know. And then I had these two combines I was working on. Um, and it said like I literally just woke up today and it was like, oh, like I was down. I was up on them, and now I'm down 700. And it was saying like, oh, I somehow some way I put in like a market order for 5 contracts long. I don't remember doing that at all. So now I'm down on the combines where I took like 3 wins that I was pretty proud of. You know, like I've been losing on my other accounts, but now I'm down on that shit for no reason. I'm at minus 250 Meher. I'm not risking more than 250 per trade. Bro, like what? Yeah, you know what? It happens. Was there news at like 10:20? Like, you know what? You know what it might have been, bro? Hold on, bro. I'm gonna tell this motherfucking Powell. I'm gonna tell you what it is. This motherfucker opened his mouth at 10:20. I'm gonna tell you, bro. Yeah, you motherfucker. When did he start talking? This should be 10 a.m. He said something, bro.
Being patient and working with the economic cycle to get it down.
Where is this guy?
But you've also got
this is why I'm here.
But those people.
This is why right here.
They work. They have.
We need to be
jobs,
cautious.
So you've also got.
We need to be cautious trading when this guy talks. Wait, this is fucking May 1st. What the fuck am I talking about? Hold on.
The labor market remains tight.
3 months ago, bro. Today. Last update May 8th. Dude. Fed Chair Powell. Where are you? Okay, here. This.
Not quite as
yeah. See,
as
he started talking.
if
Look,
two things
he wasn't talking earlier, bro.
Understanding that, I think.
Oh wait, he was.
You know, we're of course this is
Price ratio of the disinflation process that we had to go through.
But look, he literally just started.
Continuously
They
had
get.
to
I
approach
can't full
our
screen it.
inflation.
not sitting around wondering what the long.
He must have said some shit like
neutral
inflation.
rate is when we do policy. When we make policy, we're thinking today is our policy delivering what the economy needs.
It started at 10 a.m. Please refresh the page if you not see a player at that time. Enough evidence that the Fed's 2% annual target. Yeah, I think that's what we get for trading when Fed chair is talking. I wonder if people got wrecked. You got wrecked in both ways, bro. TBH. We inversed all this though, so this doesn't look bad. But I'm not taking a trade, bro. Comp win streak. I need a fucking hug, bro. I need a hug, actually, bro. Life's tough, man. Life's tough right now. Not gonna make it, bro. I'm gonna wait for 1050 because I'm actually happy with this because we inverted all this. We come back to OTE. But yeah, it's right. OTE is right there too. I'm gonna hold this with 3. See if I can catch 2R with this trade, and then I'll be break even for the day. 2R is literally that low, so I'm just gonna keep it there actually. And a hug before and after. I'll wait. Just wait 1050 macro, because we inversed all this. If we get the OTE, and now this trade is a little bit better. 4-hour fair value gap in here. It's like a 4R. Yeah. That was before that. Be patient. Even if I think we should note that if Fed chair is speaking, we should just trade PM. Go with half risk by here. Or for you, go quarter risk, bro. Risk quarter of what you lost. Or like 1.5. 1/3, 1/3. Um okay, beta. You locked your account. Bro, how much did you lose? You said minus 450, bro. Did you put an automatic stop loss? You idiot. Yes, you did. Why did you put an automatic stop loss, bro? Bro, you only lost 450 because you messed up your risk management in the first place. You did, you did. I bet you did. That's why it you said it closed it for you, no? And it stopped it for you. There was for original trade, but no, unless you changed it to 4, like if you had 4 same, bro. You got it wrong, bro. I don't know how to tell you. Bro, you added 4 cons? You're trying to go 8 cons short? That's ridiculous, bro. 4 cons didn't have a stop loss. Dude, my micro. You only put in 1 originally? Okay, and that 1 had a stop loss, right? It had a stop market buy. What you mean technically, bruh? You added 7. Bro, where are you getting these numbers from? Why does it keep going up? What do you mean you added 7, bro? So your account's at 48,650 or 550? 530. Okay, I guess that's what matters. Um, let's see if 1050 macro delivers. And I guess we'll know in the journal that the the Fed chair speak. What did I name? What did I name this stupid thing? I'm gonna wait for this till 10, 15, 11, 10. We can get an OTE entry. Hey X4, how are you, man? What's good? Nothing's good, bro. Everything's bad. What about you? Looking for an OTE entry on this short. I'll wait till 11:10. Why bad? Well, for starters, I had two combines that I was up 700 on, and somehow it's like I woke up and it said like, oh, it said I took like a 5 mini contract long at like 4 p.m. yesterday, which I do not remember doing at all. So instead of being up 700, I'm down 800. I hit my max loss limit, so that happened. And then I took this short today, and I was up like 50 ticks, almost at TP1. But then this happened. I'm guessing the Fed chair started speaking at like 10:20. Um, if I had to guess. Um, honestly, I didn't have that much. I don't have that much. Well, it was the equal highs at 1 hour that caused the move lower. I forget that, bro. Look at the 4 hour. We have the equal highs at the 4 hour over here, but I'm talking about the move higher. Like what caused that move? Oh, the move higher. Oh, like take out these equal highs, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. No, what do you mean? Like these, like we just came up for these highs, relatively equal. I mean, yeah, but yo, look at the 4 hour. Like, look at the 4 hour. Inside the 4 hour bearish for value gap. Um, hit the highs. So I guess it's just weird that like it just happened randomly. Like there was no PD array. There was no. This is also breakaway gaps. Like I feel like this is a news manipulation. Like I think Fed chair started talking and it went up for those highs. Yeah, for sure. Like obviously it went up for those highs, but like what caused that move? I don't know, man. It just happened randomly. No macro time. No liquidity swept. Like it just reversed on my ass. You know, which is fine. It happens. I'm just curious why. And I'm guessing it's because Fed chair is still speaking. Because we never really had 10 a.m. manipulation. And it's Fed chair. So I know sometimes he like speaks late and then it's um I know sometimes he like speaks late and then when he speaks like it induces volatility. So I think that's where that volatility came from is what I'm trying to say. I don't like these colors. You guys kind of weaker? Yeah. Well, there's just I think this was before 11. I'm taking it. Yeah, I think so. I mean, it looks good. Little 2R. It'll make me break even on the day and I won't go for more. Or I'll leave a runner or something. A good trade. 10:50 to 11:10 macro. Let's see if it plays. Oh wait, I'm gonna wait till like 11:05. See if it looks promising. breaker on ES, yeah. Low, high, low, higher high, lower low. The last up close candle before the lower low is this. Isn't that the breaker though? High, low, high, high. Oh wait, isn't it supposed to be the opposite way? It's supposed to be the opposite way, right? No, low, high. No, it's high, low. High, low, higher, high. The last close candle before the lower low. So it's a liquidity sweep and then a break of structure. So it's this candle right here is at the breaker. It is a series of down close candles. These? Are you sure? Breaker is a liquidity sweep and then break of structure. You tell me it's all of these? I'll go on the 5 minute, see if it's clearer. High, low. Higher, high, lower, low. Well, I could. It's an ABCD formation. The breaker is the A to B. You know what, man? You're probably right. I'm gonna double check. Let's see if my notes are wrong or if I'm remembering it wrong. I could have sworn it's like a bearish breaker is the last. Oh, is it the last down close candle before the higher high? I think that's what it is. I mixed it up. It's not the last up close candle before the lower low. It's the last. It's the last down close candle before the higher high. Ah, fuck. I don't know. Let me fucking see. Okay, let's see. We might get a fill here. I'm probably gonna keep it in. OTE. ES is a little better, huh? What's the risk like on ES? 3754, 204, 1 contracts, 150, 12. Might take it on ES instead, actually. 1 E-mini short. Yeah, I'm gonna take it on ES. I like the stop loss placement a little bit better because it had that order block as well. All right, looks like we'll get a fill here. I do 1 tick. Sorry, just making my entries good. Hopefully we get a fill right at the OTE. Um, uh, don't do that. No, don't do that. Don't do that, please. I think we'll get a fill. Okay. A bearish breaker is a bearish range or down close candle in the most recent swing low to an old high being violated. So from the leg that made the higher high, it's the low. It's this candle. No, 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 no. Don't do that. I'm tired of this. This happened. Okay, thank you. I'd rather lose. I'd rather be wrong. At least I can learn. Actually, I'm joking. I wouldn't rather lose, but okay, we're in. Let's see. Let's open ES here. Second trade of the day, half risk. OTE, fair value gap. 4-hour bearish, buy side taken. We really do not need to be coming up here. So let's see how this plays. And see if this macro can deliver. I build on my top setbacks account as well. I don't want to see us go back in here. Ideally, we go lower from here. I'm probably just gonna full TP here. I'm not gonna go for more. I'm not gonna trail my stop. I'm not gonna. Maybe after we take this low, I'll just put my stop break even. Just a quick 2 to 1. It'll put me at break even for the day. Actually, it'll put me up, even though I'm risking half. So good trade, good R. Tough entry, tough indeed, brother. OTE of fair value gap. Hopefully this plays. I already caught an L, so this one's definitely a better setup, though. I will say that. I took ES as well. Just give me some down close candles, bro. I don't want to do this right now. In the same YM. Oh man, that's a good confluence, bro. Robbie's in this shit is the fucking best confluence, bro. Mark out this macro. I feel like if I put shit on the chart, broke even on the same one you took earlier, good for you to break even there, bro. I don't know. You took the short, eh? Or was it? Robbie the best? Bro, give me a Robbie indicator, bro. A Robbie buy and sell indicator. That's what I needed, bro. Yeah, the short. Yo, what made you break even? Can I ask? W by you, bro. Like, that's a good move by you. I'm just curious. I had gotten at the top and pressed away from my entry quick. Oh, you got a better entry than me. Did you enter on the 1 minute fair value gap? That little tiny one? Oh, you're valid. I guess my entry just wasn't as good, so I was like, doesn't even make sense to break even. So I guess that makes sense too. Because I think I got filled. Oh, so yeah, I was gonna say this. It looks fucking ugly. You got on the 1 minute little gap. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I entered on the 5 minute though. I usually never do that, but I entered. No, it wasn't here. Oh, it was right here. Oh shit. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I entered on this. And then inside there was like, yeah, that 1 minute gap a little bit higher. So yeah, you're valid. That's a good entry, bro. Alright. This is Robbie's live stream, yo. Take signals. For copy trading or demo trading. Yeah, that was a really good trade. Ain't gonna lie, it was, bro. It honestly was. Like we swept London highs, 15-minute bearish for value gap. I think there was a nice SMT, like a serious SMT at the highs too. Like like one of these ones. Like top sub X has 50K, has two failure. How did you fail it? That's max drawdown. There's also a daily. There's a daily drawdown of 1,000. So I was plus 700. SMT was serious, bro. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I was plus like 600 or 700 on the accounts X4, and then I took a trade, and now the accounts are at. Yeah, I can't find it. They're at whatever that minus 1,000. I think it went like a little more, like it was like 1,100, because it was at like 900, then it ticked up, and it was 5 contracts. You still have them? But yeah, I still have them. They're just so far in drawdown. You can reset, yeah, but you have to pay for the reset. So it's literally cheaper just to go buy another account for $20 than just to do the $50 reset, because the reset doesn't, the coupon doesn't. Yo, what? Can this not take long, bro? Like I don't want to do this, bro. I don't get no sleep because of y'all. 11:10 macro is not delivering right now. Yo, Rob, you always trade past 11, no? How does this shit usually go? Like, is this a set and forget? Low just like this? I'm honestly like happy with like set. Is this a set and forget? I don't know what can happen here. Like, I think after this low, I'd break even. Or I don't even know where I'd break even, bro. Maybe like this little tiny ass fair value gap. I'll just see that and then break even. If it gets there. I'm gonna sleep because of y'all. I'm just doing my journal at minus 359. 1.5. See what happens today. Trade's taken 2. I'm gonna adjust my journal. Took a re-entry off the H4 highs being swept, forming SMT higher time frame and 4-hour divvy as well. All right. Yes, bro. Go. Go. Break below this low. Fuck, not only is it slow, it's also ES, bro. Yo, is YM running? I'm curious. Let me see what you're looking at. Fucking Q. Damn, YM's the fucking best, bro. I guess it's pretty much the same. Why do I call this shit quits? Don't go back in there. I'll wait for one thing. And is if we sweep this high, that's it. I'll wait for that because a lot of time I see like a sweep and go. People who put their stop loss, they trailed it early. You thoughts above the high? Hey, let's see. Probably you probably know. It shouldn't go back up there realistically. You were right about that. It looks better on YM. If you get that SMT, that's probably really good for you. Like if ES takes it, YM doesn't, or something like that. Let's see what happens. In my humble, honest, personal opinion, what I think is gonna happen now, because we didn't go lower, it's gonna resweep. Gonna resweep that high. Where's the freaking thing that goes like? It's gonna go like this. Oh, this is sick. How people do it? Yay. All right, that's a prediction. That's a prediction. This will be a little bit lower. Measured moves, measured moves. Okay, that's a prediction. See if we get a failure swing though. I will say one thing though. This is the rejection block now, so even a failure swing is good too. This just formed the rejection block. Because we closed above the high. Like we had a body above the high, but we didn't take. So that body and up to the high is a rejection block. What's a rejection block? It's basically, it's formed when there's wicks at the highs, for example. So you see this previously the highest high was this wick, right? But you see how we traded above the body? So I'm gonna draw it with a thick line right now. We traded above the body, but we didn't take the high. But we did take the high of the body. That forms a rejection block. It's basically a failure swing. It's basically a failure swing with when there's like long wicks at the highs. So ICT would explain that like technically we took that high. Because we traded above the. I mean, there's no body in this case, but on another time frame, like right here, you can see. So it's formed as if there's like a body here, and it's basically just a failure swing. In the most simple terms. Let me know if that makes sense. It's because we traded above this candle's body high, but we didn't take the high, so it formed a failure swing. And it's like a rejection block. This imaginary, it's literally like an imaginary block. So like this rectangle box I drew, it's like an imaginary block, basically. But who knows? We could still take that high. We've already formed a lower high though. Like we put in a short-term high lower, so should be good from here. I can send you my note on it. Makes sense for sure. My note makes a lot more sense. I didn't explain it that well. I just know when I see a failure swing that we traded above a high, there's a rejection block somewhere in there, and that's enough for me, bro. I know there's one there, you know? And I know it's probably like this box. But just for shits and giggles, I'll show you. I'm gonna send it to you guys on Discord. Because why not? If you're curious, I mean, you don't have to look at it. That's the bearish rejection block. It looks like a failure swing, but we closed above the previous candle's high body. So at that point, you don't need to go higher. That's ICT's words. The fuck is it doing? I don't know. ICT sleeping, bro. His algorithm is sleeping. Like, I think this is a set and forget, bro. So low key, it's SMT with yes and YM. Yeah. YM is definitely weaker. More bearish. Let's see. I think the end results will be the same. Bro, this is like freaking shit is what this is, bro. That's SMT right there. All right, let's clear up this. I want us to form an SMT here, like this. And then obviously I'm in the wrong asset, but still I expect the trade to play. This might be a set and forget. I don't think I can look at this. I don't even know what to read. Okay, nice. We took the high. So let's see if this holds. Hopefully it doesn't keep going. Hopefully we close below it as well. Doesn't look like we are. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Still chance, still hope. But we're trading back into this order block now, which is where my stop loss is. All right, we're stopped. I'm curious to see if YM takes that high because it is an SMT. If we invert this, I might just market order short with like a 1 tick stop. Just because YM didn't take the high. Wonder if NQ did. But if I'm being honest, I think it's gonna. Holy shit, NQ took the high long ago, bro. I got stopped out by 1 tick, eh? To the tick. I'm gonna market sell this. And I'm gonna just put my stop at those equal highs. Because the SMT is still there. Wait, I'm gonna set and forget this one. Limit. It was literally 1 tick. It formed the SMT and the inversion. That's some BS. You know? So how do I put a stop loss now? YM's good though. That's a really good SMT for YM, bro. It's really, really good. Yo, do you know how to put in a sell stop? I know the order to stop market buy, but like, well, it's a buy stop. Yeah, like a buy market stop. But how do I put that shit in, bro? You know what I'm saying? You have to put a limit long. No, that'll fuck me up. That'll put me in a long right now. Right click. Shit. Just set a limit trade. Oh, I guess what I can do is right click and then trade and then buy. Oh, right click trade. Oh, you can do that shit here, bro. I didn't know you could do that shit. On I did not know you could do that on trading view, bro. And this is a buy limit. Yes, it is. Yo, that's fucking lit, Rob. You're a fucking savior, bro. My hero. I like this, to be honest. I think this is set and forget, though. I don't want to be in this shit anymore. I'm gonna mark out equilibrium. What are these candles, bro? My arm looks good. Nice push. I'll probably break even at equilibrium. Yeah, you good, Rob. I would do the exact same thing, bro. I am is so nice, bro. You good, bro? I'm probably gonna hop off soon too. I don't want to look at this. It might take a fucking while. So I'm gonna head out. Yeah, I'll keep it in the background, I guess. My shit just refresh. See if these candles can support price. Want a large body down close now. As soon as we get a close below, I'm just gonna break even here. And I'm gonna run, just leave. This is slow. Anyway, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna let this trade run. I don't know how long this is gonna take. I'm gonna just let it go. Because it might be really slow. If we get it close below, I'll trail my stop. That's the only management I'm gonna do. Just secure like a break even at least. As soon as we close below, if we close below here, trailing my stop to this order block. Yeah. No, I'm gonna just leave it here. It's too fucking tight. Let's see if we push lower, then I'll do it from here. Let's see if it would have stopped me, hypothetically. It's already trading up into it. I think I'm gonna just leave this. I'll just leave it like this. So I'm gonna head out. Thank you guys for joining. I'll be live tomorrow. I'll update you guys on what happens on this tomorrow. So peace. Peace. See ya, X4.